In 1981, two identical spacecraft were launched by the Soviet space program, Venera 13, now Venera 14. The mission's objective was to examine the dense atmosphere of Venus and its mysterious surface. They launched just 5 days apart. Each of the two descent probes had a payload full of scientific equipment. It was designed to withstand the extreme heat and pressure of Venus. Surprisingly, each probe lived beyond its intended lifespan while still providing valuable information about the planet's surface conditions. The probes were capable of taking stunning color panoramas of the surrounding area and drilling into the Venusian soil to examine the dry, black, and rocky soil they landed on. The mysterious planet's deserted environment is revealed. What many people don't know is that the probes had microphones that recorded atmospheric wind noise to help measure wind speed. Unfortunately, much of the data are still not available online, so I couldn't find the Venera 13 sound recording. The Venera 14 sound recording allows us to hear the moment the probe launched and the strange sounds it made. Put your headphones on and relax as you immerse into the 40-year-old soundscape captured from Venus' hellish surface. This incredible audio recording was the second to be made on the surface of another planet. The first was Venera 13, as previously mentioned. The gentle breeze of Venusian winds can be heard in the background. The probe can also be heard as it completes its tasks, including the muffled bang from the camera lens cap being removed with pyrotechnics, the mechanical groove of the drilling operation, and the scattered rumbles of soil being dropped into the analyzation chamber. Despite the poor sound quality, you can still hear the sounds of another world. The data were later analyzed and revealed that Venus' average wind speed is between 0.3 and 0.55 meters per second. That is 0.98 and 1.64 feet respectively. It was revealed that the dense atmosphere on the surface is quite calm, and that wind erosion is not a problem with the scorched terrain. The Soviet Union's 1970s and 1980s exploration of Venus is one of the most remarkable achievements of all the space agencies. It was amazing to see what Venera 14 and other landing probes could accomplish back then. It survived for almost an hour in a hostile environment. However, it sent back important scientific data to Earth and allowed people to view and hear an alien world. You can find lots more videos on Venus and its hot surface on my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button or the like button. There is more to come, so make sure to keep checking back. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you